Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of comfortable loungewear with the Ekouaer tie-dye pajamas set. If you're on the hunt for the best women's PJ sets shorts available, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's kick things off by talking about the design and comfort of this pajama set. Made from a blend of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, these pajamas are not only soft but also breathable, making them ideal for those warm summer nights or cozy evenings at home. The set includes a stylish button-down Henley neckline on the short sleeve top, paired with ruffled shorts that feature a drawstring elastic waist for a customizable fit. Whether you're lounging around the house, catching up on sleep, or just relaxing after a long day, these pajamas offer both comfort and style. The fabric is lightweight and non-irritating, ensuring you stay cool and comfy. Plus, they're easy to care for with both machine wash and hand wash options available, which is always a bonus for busy lifestyles. These pajamas aren't just for bedtime. They're versatile enough for lounging, spa days, vacations, and even make a thoughtful gift for special occasions like honeymoons or anniversaries. In conclusion, if you're looking for stylish, comfortable pajamas that won't break the bank, the Ekouaer tie-dye pajamas set is definitely worth considering. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a thoughtful gift, these pajamas tick all the right boxes. Thanks for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay comfy and stylish.